When planning a window installation in Dallas, one of the most important factors to consider is the local weather conditions. Dallas experiences a range of climate challenges, from scorching summers to unpredictable storms, which can impact both the installation process and the performance of your new windows. To ensure a smooth and long-lasting installation, homeowners must take seasonal weather patterns, material durability, and proper sealing techniques into account. Here's what you need to know about weather considerations for window installation in Dallas. The best time of year for window installation in Dallas. Choosing the right time for window replacement can make a significant difference in both efficiency and cost. Here's how different seasons can impact the process. Spring, March, May. A great time for installation due to moderate temperatures. However, spring storms can sometimes cause delays. Summer, June, August. While installation is possible, extreme heat can make the process uncomfortable and may affect the sealing materials. Fall, September, November. Ideal for installation, as temperatures are cooler and rain is less frequent. Winter, December, February, can be a good option due to lower humidity, but occasional cold snaps may impact sealant curing times. For optimal results, many homeowners in Dallas prefer fall or spring for window installation to avoid extreme temperatures and unpredictable storms. Dealing with extreme heat during installation. Dallas summers can be brutally hot, with temperatures frequently exceeding 100 degrees Fahrenheit. This intense heat can present several challenges for window installation. Expanding materials. Some window frames, especially vinyl, can expand in extreme heat, affecting their proper fit. Quick drying sealants. The sun can cause caulking and adhesives to dry too quickly, leading to improper sealing. Worker safety. Installation crews may need to take breaks to avoid heat exhaustion, which can slightly extend installation time. If summer installation is necessary, it's best to schedule work during early morning or late afternoon hours to avoid the peak heat. Managing rain and humidity in Dallas. Dallas experiences a rainy season, particularly during spring and early summer. Rain can disrupt window installation in several ways. Water infiltration. Installing windows during heavy rain can introduce moisture into the frame, leading to potential leaks or mold growth. Adhesive issues. Sealants and caulking require dry surfaces for proper adhesion, so rainy conditions can delay the process. High humidity. Excess moisture in the air can affect how quickly or effectively window materials settle and cure. To avoid issues, professional installers monitor weather forecasts closely and may reschedule if rain is imminent. Preparing for strong winds and storms. Dallas is known for its severe storms, strong winds, and even occasional tornadoes. Homeowners should consider installing impact-resistant or storm-rated windows that can withstand strong wind pressures that can cause traditional windows to crack or shatter. Flying debris from thunderstorms that may break weaker glass. Sudden pressure changes that can put stress on window seals. Choosing storm-resistant windows with reinforced frames can enhance safety and durability in storm-prone areas. Insulation and energy efficiency considerations. With Dallas experiencing both scorching summers and occasional winter cold snaps, energy-efficient windows are a smart investment. The right window installation can help with keeping heat out during the summer, reducing cooling costs. Trapping warmth inside during the winter, lowering heating expenses. Blocking UV rays to prevent furniture and flooring from fading. For the best energy efficiency, opt for windows with low E-glass coatings that reflect heat away. Argon or krypton gas-filled panes for insulation. Double or triple pane glass to minimize heat transfer. Ensuring proper sealing and caulking for longevity. Regardless of when you install new windows, proper sealing and caulking is crucial for long-lasting performance. Professional installers use weatherproof caulk to prevent moisture infiltration. Expanding foam insulation to fill gaps and improve energy efficiency. UV-resistant sealants that withstand the harsh Dallas sun. Ensuring that windows are sealed correctly helps prevent air leaks, water damage, and energy loss. Choosing the right window materials for Dallas climate. Certain window materials perform better in Dallas' diverse climate. Here's how different options compare. Vinyl windows. Affordable and energy efficient, but can expand in extreme heat. Fiberglass windows. Highly durable and resistant to heat expansion, making them ideal for Dallas weather. Wood windows. Offer great insulation but require more maintenance to prevent warping and moisture damage. Aluminum windows. Strong and weather resistant but less energy efficient unless they have a thermal break. Fiberglass and vinyl are the most popular options for Dallas homeowners looking for durability and efficiency. Final thoughts. Plan for success with professional window installation. If you're considering window installation in Dallas, being mindful of weather conditions, material choices, and proper sealing techniques can ensure a smooth and long-lasting upgrade. Choosing the right season, installing energy-efficient materials, and working with experienced professionals will help protect your home from harsh weather, reduce energy costs, and enhance overall comfort. For expert guidance and seamless window installation in Dallas, consult a trusted local window installer to help you choose the best windows for your home's needs and climate challenges.